Welcome children to the Boya creation. Let's start mathematics. Standard 4. Lesson number 1, geometrical figure. Page number 4, circle. Let's start circle. Circle means an object which is round in shape. These are bangles. Bangles are round in shape. So this is a circle. Next is a bicycle wheel. Children, you saw the bicycle. Cycle is also round in shape. Means that one is also circle. A cart wheel. This one is a cart wheel. This is also in round in shape. That means circle. All the above objects are circular. Circle. Center, radius, diameter, chord. Now we will learn about this. Take a small steel bowl. Place it upside down on a piece of paper. And trace its outline. Remove the bowl. The figure you get on the piece of paper is a circle. Draw 3 or 4 circles like this one and cut out the circular paper shapes. Take one of these shapes and fold it as shown. Trace the line of the fold with a pencil. This line is called a chord of the circle. Now fold another circular shape to divide it into 2 halves. Trace the line of the fold with a pencil. This line is called a diameter of the circle. The diameter 2 is a chord of the circle. Now fold the shape again so that we get a quarter part of the shape. Unfold the paper shape. Now you see the circular shape again. Trace the lines of the folds. The point at which these lines meet each other is the center of the circle. Name the center of the circle M. Take any point P on the circle. Draw the line MP with your ruler. The line MP is a radius of the circle. Drawing a circle using a compass. Take a piece of paper. Choose any point near the middle of the paper. Take a suitable distance between the steel tip of the compass and the tip of the pencil. Place the steel tip on the chosen point. Hold it in place and turn the pencil tip around it to trace a circle. Mark with a red pencil the point at which you held the steel tip. Now cut out this circle. Fold it twice as before to obtain 2 diameters of the circle. Observe that these 2 diameters meet at the red point. It means that the red point is the center of the circle. Look at each circle. Is the line shown by the arrow a chord, a diameter, or a radius of the circle? Write it in the box below. Children, we have to find out in the given figure then whether it is a chord, a diameter, radius, or a center. See the first figure. Here it is given. This is the center of the circle. In the next figure, a straight line that joins 2 points on a circle is called a chord. Right here, chord. A straight line that goes from one side to the other side of a circle, passing through the center, is called a diameter. In the next figure, the distance from the center of a circle to the outside edge is called a radius. So this is a radius. Children, here is given an activity. Draw different circles using things like the lid of a jar, a saucer, a bangle, and coins. Find out from your teacher how a circular playing field is marked on the ground. But children, you can do this activity with the help of your parent. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe our channel.